What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Today we're going to be making this delicious beef stew in our crock pot. Beef stew tends to take a couple hours, so honestly I am not cooking this for today. I'm making this for tomorrow's lunch because tonight I will be making a chicken soup, which I hope to record for you guys as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I personally create this amazing beef stew, please keep watching. So first things first, I personally like to go ahead and clear out the kitchen. I want to make sure that everything's clean, so like that once I start taking all my ingredients out, I have space to wash, clean, and then prep. So right now I actually already have that done. I have my veggies cleaned, my peppers are in water, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I start chopping everything up, everything that I use, so like that we can then dump it in our crock pot.
Like, bro, this happened to me. I'm the victim. Like, I ain't even trying to be right. I really want to know how y'all feel. How would y'all respond? How would y'all move forward? You feel me? Because right about now, I don't know, I need an outside perspective because it's crazy.
Just in case, I don't know how I feel about it.
Alright, so now that the beef is in the crock pot, I took some time, cleaned up the sink, washed my dishes, and now I'm going to put things that I don't need away. So for example, I obviously made a lot of sofrito, but it's totally okay because this comes in handy every single day that you cook, or almost every single day that you cook. I am going to put it in my Talenti container. What do you guys use your Talenti containers for? Because I saw a video and a lot of people actually got creative with the containers and I was shocked. I personally use it to store leftovers or food or sauces or milk, chicken broth that I use. Anything that's liquid or food, I use these containers for. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my sofrito in here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer. Actually, I'm not gonna put it in the freezer just yet because I want to film another video for you guys, how to make chicken soup, homemade chicken soup. So I think I'm just gonna put it in the fridge for now. But if you're not gonna cook anymore, you can put it in the freezer, and then anytime that you need it or that you're gonna cook, you can take it down, scrape whatever you need, and then put it back in the freezer. That's gonna last you at least, I want to say at least like 2 months, 2 to 3 months if you have a decent amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. It smells so good. I don't want to make a mess though. And just like that, you have, not like that. All right, and just like that, you have sofrito for at least 1 to 2 months, because you really, because it's concentrated, you really only need like 2 to 3 tablespoons per meal, I guess you can say, like a meal for 2. You really only need 2 to 3 tablespoons. So this is gonna last you a long time. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then now we're gonna continue with our beef stew. All right, so because we're actually not done seasoning our beef stew, we're gonna open this back up. Smells delicious already. I do want to enhance the flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some chicken broth powder. I'm gonna get about a tablespoon, put it in here, and I'm gonna add some onion powder because we only season the beef. We want to season the broth a little bit. No, wrong. Don't use parsley. What I meant to grab was my oregano. Honestly, if you have fresh oregano, that's even better. But if not, it's totally okay. A little bit of sazon. And then of course, some garlic. So now that we mix this up, we're really intensifying the flavors. It smells so good. So while this continues to cook, all the flavors are gonna seep into the beef. I'm gonna cover this back up and start chopping up my potatoes. I might leave them whole because they're so small, but we still have to rinse them off. So I'm gonna do that now and then put it inside the crock pot. It's officially time to check our beef stew. And it smells so good. I'm now gonna go ahead and put our carrots and corn in here as well. We're gonna mix this around. And then just because we put potatoes, carrots, and corn now, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on top, just so like that everything is well flavored, like I said, and then we'll cover it back up and let it do its thing. I think I should put a little bit more water in here, to be honest. And now we cover it. I'm gonna put it on for 5 hours, let it do its thing, and then we'll come back and add more cilantro on top once it's almost done. So now that it's been about 3 hours, you can add your cilantro. I was originally gonna leave it in for about 5 hours, but to be honest, the meat was so tender that we can already start serving. I didn't show you guys how I make my rice. I typically make rice so deliciously, which it was really good. But how did I burn my rice? I kept it like that and I showed you guys because honestly I think it's really cool that it was like a perfect stripe on the rice. But yeah, serve your food. You can garnish it a little bit, and I hope that you enjoy. Like I said, I am not a chef. I hope that my videos get better from here on out, but I had a lot of fun filming this for you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and I will try my best to film everything you want.